I've been using AI to build production SaaS system faster than most teams build MVPs. In this series, I'm doing it in public. Full build, real decision, real architecture. We are starting with a hotel management system because it is complex enough to teach you everything. This is not a demo, this is not a toy project. This is something that could be sold to a real hotel. Let's get into it. So the tool we'll be using for building the hotel management system is Cursor. So head over to the website. The link is in the description below. You click on download. So we have to install Cursor. After downloading it, so you click on accept, then you click on next, then you click on create a desktop icon, then just click on next, then you scroll down and click on install. So we are installing Cursor. This is going to be the AI tool we'll be using for developing the hotel management system. Okay, so we are done installing Cursor. What we just need to do is to click on this place you see finish for it to open. Now there's something I want you guys to take note of. So this tutorial will be divided into 6 parts. The first will be authentication and user role system. The second will be room availability engine. The third will be reservation system. The fourth will be billing engine. The fifth will be financial reporting, where we'll have accounting and the rest. Then the last will be the public booking websites where people will come and book with the room numbers. So I'll be giving you the prompt, which will be in the description below, so that you can use also to follow along with me. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to the people watching my channel and also to those that are subscribed. 4,000 people subscribe to the channel, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you are a hotel owner and you want us to build for you something like this you're seeing, you can send me a DM. My link also would be in the description for you to book a call with me, a free call with me, so I will discuss and give you a proper solution that will increase your revenue generation and also reduce human error. And for those that are also a developer, if you need something like this, you want to work with me or join my team, you can also reach out to me, as I'll be glad to hear your own kind of design, or if you have any idea to incorporate with my current design. So I'll be very glad to also work with you. So let's dive into this video. So the first is for us to open the Cursor. After we installed that, after we installed it, then after installing, I will now be dropping my master prompt, which will be in the description. So this is how it will be, the interface of Cursor. Once you open it, this is how it will be. So we have to create a project that we can now run here on Cursor. So what do we do? Very simple. We have to go and create a folder in our desktop like this and call it HMS, which is Hotel Management System. So I'll just click here, new folder, and I'll call the name of this folder HMS for short, and I would leave it here. Then how do I open it in Cursor? I'll just come down here, open Cursor, and click on Open Project. So once I click on Open Project, I will come to my desktop because that's where I created it, and I'll look for this place you see HMS and click on Select Folder. So this is the first step in building your hotel management system. So you have to open the folder, and if you notice the folder is empty, looking at my left hand side, there is nothing here. So what I would need to do, this is where I will be using to create the, or give my prompt and sending it out to Cursor. But first off, I need to log in for me to use their future. So what I just need to do is to click on this place you see log in. So it will take me to my web browser where I will now have to log in into Cursor. So it will take you to this interface. So once you are in this interface, just click on sign or continue to sign in. So you click on continue to sign in. Then you just select your Google account. Then click on continue. Then just click on yes, login to desktop. Okay, so it will take you back to this place, which is the cursor interface. So this is where we'll be dropping our prompt, and I told you the prompt is in the description below. So let's just look at what we will do with this. So the first thing I would want to do is for me to give it the brief before I even start telling it to build. So the project brief. So I'll paste this, which also I told you will be in the description below. Everything I'll be using here will be in the description below. So what I'll just do is the project type, I'll say full stack this. So the project name, I can say Smart Hotel OX or HMX or anyone I just want to. So all this will be in the description below. So I'm trying to give it a project brief. So I'll just click this and send. So after sending that, it gives me this response. All these are the response it gives me or asks me. So it's like it's asking me some basic questions. So this is it. So these are all the things it has given me. So now I'll now paste my master prompt. So I've given it the master prompt, which is this. So after giving it the Smart OS project overview, then I give it the master prompt. So it is making a review to it. So now I can now start telling it, okay, go on build mode 1, go on build mode 2, go on build mode 3, like that, because I have given it something it will understand. So let me just go ahead and start building and designing. So I just said start with module 1 only, generate the full system architecture, database schema, role design, page structure, back-end logic, and front-end UI structure for authentication and user roles. So that's what I wanted to start building. So that's what I'll send to it. So I'm waiting for it. If you notice, it said, so this is what it said. It said queued, start with module 1. So it's going to check all this, right? Okay, so I'll just run this. So it starts building. When I say it should start building the module 1, so it starts. So I just sent the file which is going to be working. So maybe we'll just run this. So it has started building the README file. So this is the README file that it's building. So if you look at the left-hand side, you see it has started building the whole thing for the website. So if you look at this, these are the apps, the user auth for user, it's building that. So this is it. So the login page, this is the place for the API, which is this. So and all. So I'll just wait for it to do. And so this what is working on. So I'll be showing you what I have done so far. I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, so we are at this point where I told the AI tool to create for me an env.local file. So it has created that for me. So the next thing I need to do is to follow some of the instruction it gives me. It say I should go and create a Supabase project. So once I create a Supabase project, I should get the Supabase URL and all this. So how do we do that? So what I'll need to do is I'll need to go over to my browser, search for Supabase. It will take me to this website here. Also, the link will be in the description below. So I'll click on Start Your Project. So I'll need to sign up because I already have created an account. But if you don't have an account, you need to sign up to Supabase, and it's completely for free. Now, Supabase is used as the database point where all the information will be stored. So what I need to do is to create a project. So it will take me to the dashboard area where I will now create a project. So I'll just click on this place you see new project, or here, any of them. I'll just click on new project. So I'll give this project a name. So the name of this project will be HMS. So apart from that, I'll come with a Supabase password. Let me just use my password. Then I'll click on this place you see create project. Okay, I've created the project. I'll just save this. So this project is HMS, and okay, so what I just need to do now is to get some of the project URL. So this is the project URL, which is this here. I'll just copy it. Once I copy that, I will head over to Cursor AI. I'll go to the local.env file. Just click on this. So here where you see the next public URL, this point to this point, I would replace it. Just click here and delete all this. So within the quotes, I'll paste my URL. Then I'll come here to the next Supabase anode kill. I'll also come here. I'll delete all this. Then I'll go back to Supabase and copy the anon key. So I'll show you how to get that now. Once you are in Supabase in your browser, you just click here. So once you click there, it will open this for you. So you just click on this place, you see get API keys. Then what you are mostly concerned with is this copy API anon. You click on it, you copy it, then you head over to Cursor and paste it. Then you paste it here. Okay. Then the next thing we've done, so there are other things we also need to do, which we've done: the Supabase URL, the service, so Supabase service row key, and this. So all these are what we need to do. So the next thing I need to do is I need to go to my terminal. I'll click on my terminal. Then I'll click on terminal. I'll click on new terminal. So once I get a new terminal like this, so what I need to do is I'll need to come here to CD. Then I'll say API. I'll click on that. So CD means I'm going into the API file inside this folder, which is this. So the next thing I need to do, I'll say npm install. Now, what this will do is it will install the Node.js package into this file or into this folder. I'm trying to work on the hotel management system. So once that is done installing, I will see you in the next video where I will be continuing from here so that this video is not too long. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to, so that you can see more of this kind of content, and also share with your friends. Peace out.